What's up, YouTube? It's your dog Buggy Oakland, and we back with another video. Today we are going to be doing a product box opening for the Neumann NDH30s. They are open back headphones. I'm just going to be opening the box, seeing everything that comes with it, and then we're going to be probably doing like a, listening test to see how we really feel about these headphones. These headphones at the time that I bought it were $660. So they're pretty expensive headphones to pay for shipping and handling. So basically everything came out to like $800. So very expensive headphones, but I'm hoping they are worth it. It's definitely not beginner headphones, so don't feel like this is something that you must buy if you're just starting out getting to mixing and mastering. But we're gonna open it. We're gonna open this and then we're gonna see what it comes with. So let's get to it. So this is how the box looks. Pretty clean. This is a nice box. Out of all the headphones that I bought, this is a very nice box. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna actually keep this. I'm not gonna throw this away because I like how the box looks. Usually I throw the box away because it's like, whatever. But the box itself look nice. So let's see what's inside. Boom. So when you open it up, here we have the Neumann NDH30s. So this is the case itself, and these are the headphones. They look pretty good. It comes with a left. I like how it has the L and the R to let you know which side is which. That looks really nice. So just judging by it off of first looks, it's real nice. It's like metallic. It looks real good. They're not too heavy. That's good. I used to have like the Beats headphones, the Pros, and those used to be very heavy. It was good. They sounded really amazing, but they used to be very heavy on your ear. This doesn't look too heavy just by first glance, and just by holding it, so that's a good thing. I like the case that it comes with, but I definitely noticed the how much money I paid for it. It would be good if it came with a case or something like that, but it doesn't look like that's something that it comes with, but that's fine. Boom, and let's see what else is in here. Boom, so it comes with the wires. We have wires, and then we have some headphone cleaners. So honestly, this doesn't really come with a lot. It's just really headphones that are in this. So like I said, I paid almost, with shipping and handling and everything, I paid about almost $800 for these headphones. So that is pretty expensive. And for it to just come with headphones, that means these better sound amazing. So when I give it a listen, I will give my honest opinion on that. But we have these wires. I'm guessing they don't use like regular headphone wires. So let's see. The wire itself, you can take this off. So that is good. It comes with one. And let's see. This side will go into the headphones. And this will go into, my computer or anything like that. As well as if you have an audio interface, this will go into audio interface. It's pretty long, so I like that they gave a pretty long wire. Let's see if anything else is in here. It doesn't seem like anything else is in here. That's it. And then let's see what else this comes with. Okay, so it does come with a little headphone bag, I could travel with, just so things don't get scratched. If I want to throw this in a book bag, I could throw this in here. That is a good addition for sure. I like that. Give me some extra stuff, you feel me? That's tough. And then what else do we have here? That's it. So these are the Neumann NDH30s. Now we're gonna really give this the listen test, and that's really what's gonna be important. We're gonna see if these are really sound as good as they should sound. All right, so at first listen to a couple of songs, listen to a couple of commercial songs, listen to a couple mixes that I did. These headphones sound very, 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 very good. I'm super hype about it. I'm super hyped to even do mixes moving forward with it, because what I like the most out of it is like the mid-range. So from first listen, I could hear like the mid-range is a little way more clarity going on in the mid-range. So like when I'm listening to like music, I could hear way more of like the hidden sounds, the hidden frequencies, like the layered sounds that are in mixes. I can hear it. They're a little bit more present. So the mid-range is way more clear. So I know that's going to help me out mixing wise, because now I can make the right choices to know what to get out, what to gut out, and what to add to make the songs come more to life. It's also width wise. For songs that are like super wide, it makes it sound like you're actually like in the song. Is way wide. The sides sound very clear on these headphones. So I'm gonna give this headphones a really, 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 really good rating. From first listen, day one, these are like, especially compared to what I was using before, you gotta understand I was mixing out of these headphones, not bashing them, but I was mixing out of these Audio Technicas. These are like $60 headphones, and I was doing great job having great mixes through these. But these right here, these NDH30s, I'm gonna give them like a 9.5. These are that good. These is fire. I know the mixes that I'm gonna be doing moving forward are gonna sound even more amazing. So yeah, I really like these headphones. They are worth the money for sure. I'm 100% gonna say they are worth the money. It sounds amazing. Like listening to music sounds amazing through this. So with that being said, if you like the video, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button and comment and let me know what other videos you'd like to see on my channel. And if you want to see more product reviews and stuff like that, let me know in the comments as well. Get it.